Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. As promised, I'm vlogging. I think I'm actually getting the gist of it after a whole year of actually creating content. But anyway, welcome back. If you're new, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button to become part of this great happy family. And if you're returning and you're not yet subscribed, darling, please subscribe. And if you're a day one, a regular, a babe, a loyal friend of mine, then thank you so much for returning. So in today's vlog, I decided that, you know what, let's actually vlog. I'm currently at home, at my, where I was born, at home, not my place. But yeah, I decided that, you know what, let me do a spend the day with me. So in today's video, we basically going to just do a few things, just spend a normal day with me. So right now, currently, I wanna make breakfast, and hopefully if babe is not awake because he's sleeping now. And it's currently, let me check the time. Hey guys, I'm using my phone to vlog, so I can't really, why is the lighting so bad? I'm using my phone to vlog, so I can't really see the time now, but I think it's around 9ish. Baby woke up at 7, which is the usual time, and I fed him. After feeding, played, then he slept. And then now I'm making breakfast, and I'm gonna do dishes, and then hopefully I think he'll be awake by then, and then yeah, we'll spend time together. Then I'm gonna cook dinner, make lunch as well, probably tidy up the house, and yeah, spend time with my mom when she comes back from work. Yeah, that's about it for today. I hope it turns out to be a short vlog, but I want to make it a spend the day with me at home. So yeah, without any further ado, without wasting your time, let's get into making breakfast. So your baby's awake. Hey, Papas. Hi. He's awake, and I'm in the middle of making breakfast. So I don't know how I'm gonna work, guys. So I'll try to vlog and still, be with this little cutie. Hello, my baby. Yeah, so that is that. I'm just gonna put you guys here where you were before. We got rudely interrupted, and I hope I don't get my baby. Hey guys, for safety purposes, I'm gonna put the baby down and then handle the stove, because I don't wanna do anything dangerous now.
just so deep. And rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking